The Brickhead family.
I want a boot.
You got a boot?
Yeah.
Because you're making me go outside in the snow, aren't you?
Oh.
Yeah. Because if there's one thing I hate the most is being cold. And snow equals cold. I gotta do it for the kids though. Huh? We gotta go outside in the snow. It's winter in the Midwest.
There's like this pool of ice over here. And I was like shoveling it. I didn't see it, and I like tried to push hard, and then I went like that, and then I was like, okay, it must be like a big chunk of rock. So I was walking, and I like slipped and fell on my butt.
Nice. Alright, baby Brickhead, let's go down here. We gotta go in the car. Gotta clean it off. Ugh, I hate winter. I hate snow. Oh, I hate snow.
No.
I hate snow. Kids love snow though. Kids like it. I hate it. I don't know if I said that or not, but snow sucks. Alright, gotta clean out the car. Live in the Midwest. You know what one of these are. These are your friends in the morning when you're trying to get to work. You see your brother? You did a pretty good bang-up job on the driveway. I'm impressed. Hey, are you out here in your pajamas?
Yeah.
What are you doing, dude?
These,
Are you not cold?
no, because these have the protection of like water, so it's actually pretty good pajama pants.
Protection of water. Is that so you don't pee your pants when you're in bed?
Maybe.
Gotta clean off the car. Snow, snow, I really hate the snow, I really hate you, snow. I really hate the snow, I really hate the snow, snow. Snow sucks, snow sucks, snow really, really, really sucks. I hate snow. I hate snow. Snow, you are wet and cold and I don't like you. Not a good thing with what you need when you live in the Midwest is when you're cold out, or when it's cold outside, you can stand in your house and maybe it's not gonna work. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that remote start is beautiful for days like this. Hey, how's it inside? Is it nice and warm in there? Must be nice. Alright, we are in the middle of a snowstorm. Mama Brickhead wants to make cookies. And she doesn't have a sifter because the kids broke it last year. And she needs wax paper. So, we're going to make the trek in the snow to go get some cookie baking stuff.
Unsweet cocoa bars. You know those
What?
squares?
You better send me a list. You know my memory is only 2 items long. I got wax paper and I've already forgot the other one. Oh, sifter. Alright. Look at, I just cleaned off this. Oh great, now look at this guy. He's gonna plow. Look at, all that work. He's gonna plow you back in. He's gonna plow you back in. What? Your hands are cold because you don't have any gloves. Where are your gloves? Where are your gloves? Oh, and you got boogers running around your nose? That's so nasty. You nasty. Alright, now that I had to clean off the windshield again, let's hit the road. Alright, when you're in a snowstorm, this is what you see when you get in your car. So, for those viewers, oh my god. I don't have any money. I don't have any money, man. You been playing in the snow?
Yeah.
Why are the fingers cut off your gloves?
But I had 2 gloves on.
Yeah, but look at you're missing the fingertips off your gloves.
I know. It's supposed to be like that.
Oh, okay. Hey. Here, videotape a little bit of us driving in the snowstorm. Snowstorm of 2017, or 16.
That's next year.
Yeah, 2017. Well, I'm predicting the future of a snowstorm.
Oh.
Alright, and when you live in the Midwest, you can predict that you're gonna have snows like this all the time. That's why you gotta get a nice 4-wheel drive car like we got. So, those people out at Chevy, we love your Equinox.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got it like last year.
Oh yeah, and this sucker just plows through the snow. So,
Yeah.
you're in the Midwest, get a all-wheel drive for the Equinox, and you can just peel right through the stuff. It's beautiful. Alright.
We are here.
What?
We are here.
I'm finding us a parking spot.
If you can find a spot.
Alrighty. Alright, yep. Here we are at the Big Lots.
Whoa.
Hopefully they got what we're looking for, otherwise we're gonna have to make the longer trip to Target. But Big Lots is right by our house, so we're good to go. Alright, so this is the Snowstorm of 2016.
Oh, you didn't say 17 again.
We got it. It's 2016. Alright. Look at that. Snow, snow, snow. There's the plug. There you go. There you go, Big Lots. Let's try to find the stuff.
I think they don't have all the stuff.
Huh?
I think they won't have all the stuff.
Alright.
Like Swift.
Soup. No, we don't need soup mixes. Baking, spices, and desserts. Alright.
She said she needs bacon thing.
What?
I think she said she needed bacon.
Bacon?
Bacon thing.
Bacon? Like as in oink oink bacon?
No.
Or baking?
Bacon.
Unsweetened bacon chocolate squares. Unsweetened baking chocolate squares. Oh man, she's gonna make us go to another store.
Yep.
Well, we struck out at Big Lots. Sorry, Big Lots, but we are going to another store.
Crown Target.
Yeah. So we gotta go to the big red ball Target.
It's not a ball. It's a big target.
There's a big red ball outside. Alright, so we're back on our way outside. Ugh, snow. Look at all the traffic. There's this truck. He just almost spun out over here, but I think we're good. Snowmageddon 2016. Let's make sure everyone turned. Oh, this guy's going slow. Good guy, good guy, good guy. Slow, slow, slow. Go slow, slower. Go slower. You need to go slower. Slow. Ah, nice. Good. Good job. Good job. You're doing a good job there, kid. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. We made it through the intersection. Oh, here we go. Hey, you there in the... You! Slow down! Slow! This guy's really slow. Alright. Oh, there's a plow. We got a plow. Oh, look at this guy. He's flying too. Alright. Alright guys, come on. Let's wait for our turn to go. Alright. Come on. Red light, green light. Alright. Like a glove. And we are at our home, away from home, Target. Here we are. Alright, here we are at Target. Huh? Yeah, the snowflakes have gone down a little bit. Here we are. Let's get Target behind us. Target! Yeah! Target! Alright, here we go.
This is
Now,
where we
remember?
are.
Do you remember what we had to get on our list?
Oh, I don't know.
Huh?
Yeah.
What kind of get are you taking? Hey. Come on, man. See? I told you, it's the big red ball. Alright, we got Target. We got some spectacular savings. What are you doing? Are you squeaky boots? Really, dude?
Sponge. It's from SpongeBob.
SpongeBob squeaky boots?
Yeah.
Alright. We gotta go back and refer back to our list here. Put in and you hit the button and it goes that you guys broke last year?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Not in them.
Alright. So Mama Brickhead gets for sending us to this. Alright. Sifter. That's a strainer. Sifter. Yell if you see it. 'Cause I don't see it. Oh, whoa. That's a strainer. Oh no. Don't tell me we're not gonna find it here. Alright, so I went on to Target's website for a flour sifter. And we have a Nordic flour sifter. Should be in row B29.
This is B29.
And we are in B29. Bacon dishes, Corningware.
I don't get it.
So, in stock. It says available.
No, it's not.
B29. Oh, wait. Boom. That's a decorating kit. Boom, I found it.
What?
It's a flour sifter.
This one looks different. Oh.
Alright, we're good. Alright, so on to the
One
next.
down.
One down. Alright, this is like a scavenger hunt, isn't it?
Yeah, it's.
Unsweetened baking chocolate squares. Unsweetened baking chocolate squares.
Don't see it.
Oh no. Oh wait, here we go. Unsweetened. Oh man, she's gonna tell us how many boxes she needed.
Next.
Alright, hold on.
How many books?
How many boxes of chocolate? Be nice. I'm sitting around waiting for her to text back and I didn't even send it. Now we wait.
Just wait.
Alright, Target. You're 2 for 2. Alright. Target is 2 for 2 on our list so far. And that's why we love Target. Right? We love
Yeah.
Target? It is definitely our home away from home. Alright, Target. You got wax paper for me? You got freezer paper. Press and clean. Papel Bergamino parchment paper. Wax paper. Is that what she said? Wax paper? Oh, parchment paper. Or was it parchment or wax? My brain sucks.
Should wax.
Wax paper. Alright. Wax paper. Boom. We got some wax paper. And she is not texting me back.
2. And we
Two.
got 2.
Can you believe that? I guessed 2, and we picked up 2. All right. So Target, you're 3 for 3, and we love ya.
Did we get all the stuff?
We got everything at Target, what we needed. See, Target, going out the door.
It got bad.
This way doesn't really want to stop.
Yeah. It's getting worse.
Huh?
It's getting worse.
Yeah, the snowflakes have gotten a little bit bigger. And once again, thank you, Target, for helping us in Snowmageddon 2016. Mama Brickhead would have been lost without her shifter, or sifter. And thank you, Target, for having it. This also sucks when you get all this garbage in your tire wheels. Just kick those bad boys off of there. We're being attacked by our own car. Ah! Snow is flying off. Ah! It's coming off of our car and hitting the window. Ah! Dang you, Snow. Dang you. Alright, so we made it home, alright. In one piece. No sliding or anything. Come on, man. Take the snow. We're back. We survived Snowmageddon.
So how was it?
We survived.
You almost slipped.
We didn't slip. We didn't almost slip nothing.
How do you like the driveway?
Did a good job. I pulled in and I was very impressed with how good you did. Do what? You watching that? When you're the Brickheads, you are watching the Brickhead family on your TV. Hey, Mama Brickhead. We had to go to 2 stores to find what you're looking for. And it was hard trying to find a shifter. But
Whatever. Autocorrect.
but we found, it took us a little bit, but we finally found a shifter for you. Do you want to tell me again what's happening?
That stuff at the party last night.
And
I just was texted as you're taking your stuff off that Logan's phone and my sunglasses are there, as well as the chicken and the pasta that we left there last night.
so, in words, you're telling me I gotta go back out in the Snowmageddon 2016.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Seriously.
Car's warm, better hurry.
Look at that elf.
Oh my
The
god.
elf is smiling. You have to go back.
Alright, we are back out in the snow. Yeah.
Probably one of our longest videos yet. Watch this. We have to go back to the store.
No, we're not going back to the store. We gotta pick something up at Tony's house.
You snow, I hate you.
So here we are again in the car. This stinks. I should be at home eating fresh, warm cookies.
No, watching the tights.
Washing our tights. Yeah, washing our tights. That's a good movie reference. Alright. God, I hate the snow. And as you can see, the snow is picked up. And
Got bigger.
yeah.
They said it will be 6 inches or more.
Well, this guy, This guy's serious. He's shoveling the street.
Music station.
This guy is shoveling the street, people. It definitely is, ma'am. I wish I was by the fire.
But we don't have.
I have plenty of places to go. No! Don't let it snow! It doesn't show signs of stopping. We do have popcorn for popping later.
Yeah.
Alright, that sounds better. No! No more snow! Oh. I hate it! I hate going out in the storm! Oh, I want to be home and warm. It better not die. Oh, goodbye. No, don't say it! No! No! No more snow! No more! No! I said no! No, you don't want to see a lot of snow. No! Shut your mouth, lady! No more snow! No, no, no.